Streaming one HDMI source to multiple displays? Don't let your network become the bottleneck. Meet the ORIVISION EH1401, a professional HDMI video encoder built for reliable AV over IP streaming. Optional PoE delivers both power and data through a single Ethernet cable, reducing cabling and simplifying installation. With UDP Multicast, one video stream can be distributed to multiple displays simultaneously, reducing network bandwidth while maintaining synchronized playback. The built-in OLED display lets you quickly check the IP address, video resolution, and device status at a glance. Configure and manage every setting through an intuitive browser-based web interface with no additional software required. Supporting multiple streaming protocols, EH1401 integrates seamlessly into IPTV, live streaming, surveillance, and professional AV applications. Ready to upgrade your AV over IP system? Contact ORIVISION today.